In this video I'm going to show you how to switch between different camera lenses on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. I have the regular iPhone, so that is iPhone 11, and there I got just two camera lenses. So if you got iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max, where you got more lenses, the process is basically similar, so continue watching that video. And now let me show you what to do in order to switch between different camera lenses. Now there, just above the photo mode, you see two icons, .5 and 1x, and it means two different lenses. So now I'm on 1x, it means regular lens, and I can hit on .5 to enable the widescreen lens, and now you see how it looks like on my screen. And now you see how it's simple to switch between two lenses. If you got more than two lenses, you will get there are more than two options as well. That's how it works, guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.